Massive greetings in the name of the Most High. This is Daddy Reg for Daddy Reg Promotions, and this is Talking News. In this episode, Sizzla Kalonji and Foota Hype burn a fire on spice and things going on in the music. You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Show that you care. Talking News is here. That's right. Sizzla Kalonji went to his social media once he found out about the post regarding Spice headlining the Toronto 2022 Fish Festival. You understand? And the man never liked that, and this is what he said. Jamaican artists already know that our indigenous music bashes against homosexuals and lesbianism. We Jamaicans bash against anything that is corrupt and misleading to our nation of people. Do not mix reggae and dancehall with your evil, nasty ways. No to guns, no to gays, no to lesbian, no to pedophilia, no to all what's wrong and going against our culture. I agree with the king. Yo, he never lied, to tell you the truth. For real. It's just that the people I don't know what happened to their brains nowadays. They're just going in a different direction. And also, Sizzla put up there the picture of Spice, and on top of it says, "Don't do this show." At the bottom, he said, "We're not a sellout. We're not hungry. Jamaica full of good food and very nice people. Our African heritage and culture is rich." Again, I agree with that 1,000,000,000%. What she's going to do or doesn't do remains to be seen. But right now, the battle lines are drawn. Fire burn them, lava. Let's go over to Foota Hype's page. This is what Foota Hype posted up there. The same picture. All right, see it there? And Foota Hype wrote a statement. "In all my 20+ years as an established product of Jamaica and dancehall and reggae music, this is the first time I feel completely defeated, ashamed, embarrassed, weak, betrayed. In my subconscious mind, I was confident that two people I would never live to see do this was at Spice Official and at Grung Godzilla. This now drives a serious fear in my consciousness that all hope is lost." No, it's not. No, it's not. Please. This submission, all hope, let me go again. That all hope is lost. This submission to the devil has become the new thing for dancehall artists, the new norm for our culture based on what I see going is that moral values are no longer important. The only thing that matters is money. The preservation of our music, culture, and righteous values don't count. Righteousness shall always exalt the nation, my youth. It's all right. They're exposed now. Honestly, on the name of the Almighty, I was banking on hope that no matter what, at Spice Official would never give into something like, I guess I was dead wrong. Yo, my youth. Everything is nasty, skin out, and fuckery music that person do. Yo, I'm not surprised. I'm disappointed as hell. This is a big L for the ancestors, agreed, of Jamaica and the music given to us by the Almighty. Money has officially poisoned and crippled our industry. Maybe this is a band show. If not, it would be sad that Spice Official wouldn't consider the well-being and career of a DJ after this. Shame or kill me, God no. Nah, you keep your head up. You never do anything wrong. It's them who do it, not you. You know you're doing your thing and you're burning the fire and you're waking people up. So just keep on that path and keep doing the good thing and the right thing. You see them? Huh? They will get what they get. See when they expose themselves? And Jada Kingdom came on the Spice post too. So all them people we can't see, and the people gonna speak. Trust me. You see them dirty, evil, nasty, corrupt ways? Righteousness shall exalt the nation. Sizzla Kalanji, big up your damn self. Foota Hype, big up your damn self. I am Daddy Reds, and I'm the reggae ambassador, and I will always cause a musical massacre. Like, comment, subscribe, share, show that you care. Talking News is here. Dread out for now.